Hi, in the previous video we created a simple Azure Batch resource, a job for it, a pool for it, and tasks which use the nodes in pool. Because we deleted the jobs, I want to create some new jobs for the batch account that we have created in the previous video together to be able to monitor the progress of the nodes. I will use the Azure Batch command line and paste the command and creates a new job, which after the job is created, we can assign some tasks to this job. And after the tasks are created and assigned, we can use batch task show command to monitor the progress or the status of each node. We can go through the output or the answer that we received from the command. It says, as you see in the command line, we asked about task ID 1 in job 2 and we received the answer that mentioned that the task is completed. You can even check the state of the task here in resource group in your batch account. Then you can go to your jobs. You see my job 2 is here, and then you have tasks. For example, you can go to task 1 and you can see, yes, we have created some output here. In next step, I want to download the task outputs from CLI. We can use Azure Batch task file list command that we specify which job ID, which task ID, and we see the output as a table in a table format. And you see that we have 2 text files and 2 folders. That is exactly what we have here. I want to create a loop to download the files from task output without downloading the file from each task separately. In the first step, I want to create a folder in Cloud Bash, and then as a next step I want to change to this folder, and then I run a for loop to download the stdout text file. After the loop for downloading the files from task output is completed and finished, then we can execute the ls command to see the output in the created task output folder. We can even show the content of the files. As we can notice here, I show or display the output of stdout from task 1 and from task 2, and you see that the task ID is 1 and 2. They were 2 different tasks. And after that, when you are finished with this step, you can delete the job as well.